All right, guys, 2010 Dodge Challenger V6. Nice dark gray. It looks in the camera like green, dark green, but it's actually gray. Anywho, what we got done on it, factory converter there and there. Then he brought his own H-pipe or X-pipe on it. I don't know what kind it is. I think it's a pipes. I'm not sure. And then he brought his own Flowmaster Super 44s, part number 942548. There'll be a link in the description for him, right there. A pair, then it's straight piped out the back on each side, there and there. And he's got aftermarket tips there and right there. And there's the two mufflers. Yeah, it was a pipe system before that we took off. There's the old pipe system that was on it. And now we replace it with some Flowmaster Super 44s. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Flowmaster Super 44s. Not bad. What do you guys think? It's a V6. Would you put Flowmaster 44s on yours? Your sound decibels? Louder. Again? So it's right at 98. Not bad. I like it. Go ahead and back it out. Rev it! I like it. Not too bad, not bad at all. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6. Look at that hood. That's different. Man, it's good. Guys, 2017 Dodge Challenger V6. This is his third car that he's done with us. We really appreciate his business. We hooked him up. So what did we do on it? Factory converters there. Then this AC is very, very hot, so make sure you guys stay away from that. X-pipe there, factory. Then we put two Dynamax race bullets, part number 24215, right there and there. Link in the description. Then 2 1/4 pipe, and we completed it with 2 1/4 rear resonator to be there and there. There's the 2 resonators in the back that come on those. There's the mids that come on those right there. So we deleted all that and put some bullets in their place. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Boom. That's perfect. Yep. That's what I love about these bullets. They sound perfect. That's clean. That's really clean. Your sound decibels. What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes, sir. Go ahead and back it up. It's clean, you know? No rasp whatsoever. That sounds so good. If you guys don't want any rasp, go with the Dynamax race bullets, the parts I gave you. There'll be a link in the description for it. That sounds phenomenal. You guys gotta admit, that sounds really nice. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Like it? 2017 Challenger Dynamax race bullets. Perfect. Oh yeah, I like that. All right guys, 2022 Dodge Challenger V6. Got that nice red inlay in it. Look at that. They drove from Illinois. They came vacationing in the Smokies, and on their way back they said we gotta hit exhaust addicts up. So we really appreciate them bringing it by. What we got done on it for them, factory converter there. It's only got 3,000 miles on it. Factory X pipe, it's all 2.5-inch pipe. Then what we put on it was some vibrants. Part number 1791. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there, they're the long ones. They are 14-inch overall. There they are right there. Then 2 1/4 out the back, and we finished it off with 2.5-inch. He wanted a little bit deeper, so we did 2.5 out the back on each side. The bigger the pipe you go with, the deeper the tone. And then he also brought his own tips. Here's the part number on them right there. They're 2 U-Power double wall slant edge right there. There and right there. Came out really clean, really nice. This was what was on it before. There's the rears, there's the mids, and this one comes with a built-in tips. So you have to take this plastic off, and there's the old tips. So all that had to come off to make it into a quad tip setup, which I think looks better than these USB charger tips. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Perfect? That's awesome. I'll be on camera. What do you think? That's awesome. Yes, sir. There's no rest, man. This is clean. Again? There's sound decibels. Again? 111. Wow. Again? It peaks at a 111. That's pretty loud. Go ahead and back it out. Come on, sounding nice. With vibrant exhaust. Yeah. You see how the more they're getting louder, like the more tone is getting down? The more they're breaking in once it warm up. And once the computer notices that more and more, it'll even work better. 2.5 out the back and vibrance in the mids. 14-inch bodies. That's clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6 with vibrant mids, rear deletes, quad tips. We appreciate them coming down from Illinois, land of Lincoln. Nice. There they go. Enjoy, guys. 2023 Dodge Challenger V6 SXT. Last call on these. Anyways, what we got done on this beast. Factory converter. I don't know. Are they going to stop making the V6s? I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Are they going to stop making the V6s or just the 8-cylinders? I don't know. Anyways, factory converter, factory X pipe, MagnaFlow, MagnaPacks there. And there'll be a part number 10415s. There'll be a link in the description for them. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back. Then what we did is we cut the rear resonators off there and added pipe in their place and cut the factory tips that come on these bolted on. We took them off, unbolted them, as you guys can see. They're going to the scrap yard and replaced them with dual tips. U-Power, he brought his own tips. Here's the part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for them. U-Power. Tips, quads, there in there. And then we also added our custom J pipes on it there and right there, just to cut down on drone. Not all the way, but it helps a lot more than just having straight pipes out the back, okay? There's the two resonators that were on it there and there that we cut off, and there's the tips. That's what the J pipes look. They're all hidden away. You won't see them when it's on the ground. All you see is the tips, which I like to do. That makes it look a lot cleaner and nicer. We appreciate our guys for always hooking us up and making everything look beautiful. Their custom work is bar none. Right here, he's happy, you can see. And follow her bakery at
Sweet Bites Bake Shop in New Hope, Alabama.
On Facebook. She's gonna have a TikTok account too soon. See? Now you can hear it. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. One more. So it's at peak is 104, but on normal it's 95. That sounds so good. I like the sound of it, guys. I like the look too. It's a nice car. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. This sounds good. Yeah, nice and deep. V6 Challenger, all the way from Alabama. Remember, guys, follow her, okay? Wow, beast mode. Yeah, her little marble there. 2017 Dodge Challenger V6. What we got done on it for you guys is something different than what we usually do. We got factory converters there and there, then the factory X pipe, 2 1/4 all the way back, and he brought his own mufflers. They're called Big Boys Exhaust. 2 of them. Weird design, man. They almost look like carbons on the inside, but their baffles are different than the carbons. So they're Big Boys. There'll be a link in the description if we can find one for you guys. And then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back, and he's already got a rear delete somewhere else. I don't know, it looks like kind of like our work, but I don't know for sure. And there's the mids that we deleted and put the Big Boys in its place, as you guys can see right there. That's what it looks like after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Big Boys Exhaust. Not bad. Sounds really nice, actually. There's sound decibels. 105. Big Boys Exhaust, man. Go ahead and back it up. There we go. I like it. It's one of my favorites so far. Let you guys hear on that side. Got a nice idle to it too.